Hello, this is Alexander Thrasher, showcasing Challenge 3, IoT, Bachelor's Mechatronics. The task for this challenge is to have all three of our PLCs, 1, 2, and 3, all communicate over a local network with our personal computer, pinging and driving each PLC and its actions. Only this time through a cloud-based MQTT broker. In this case, we have Thingspeak. It is a free MQTT broker provided by MATLabs. It's pretty solid. I have all three of my PLCs already connected and sending data. Thingspeak refreshes every 15 seconds, so it's ultimately controlled by the speed at which you want your PLC to transmit data. And so I have each of my PLCs basically flashing at different clock speeds. And for PLC 1, it's 1 second. PLC 2, I believe, is half a second, and PLC 3 is every 1/10 of a second. And so each one of those red dots are a piece of information set by the PLC. It's just refreshed every 15 seconds. So how I have that information being sent is I basically just have the output of this counter on each PLC being set as the output. For the setup on the MQTT client, so it's a little bit different than how the Raspberry Pi was set up. Instead of using a static IP address, we're using a server name. In this case, it's mqtt3.thingspeak.com. We turn off last will and testament and enable authentication and custom client ID. These usernames, client ID, and password are generated automatically by Thingspeak by going to Devices, MQTT, and Add New Device. Here I have a device already set up with all three of my PLC channels. And when you set this up, it will automatically generate your three variables that are needed, parameters, sorry. And it is important that you save all of these to like a text file or something, because once you confirm this, your password will no longer be viewable. So it's really important that you write that down somewhere. Here's our authorized channels. Each one was set up for PLC 1, 2, and 3. And this gray area is our channel ID. And you're going to want to save that too, because it'll become important in our publisher setup. So MATLabs already has the fields that you need to put in for your broker topic and payload. In this case, it's channels, and then you put in your PLC channel /publish. This will be for PLC 1, PLC 2 and 3 will be their own respective channels. And the payload will be a string of characters, field 1, and this is what tells Thingspeak what field under the channel it's paying attention to, followed by the integer bit value that is being published. So I'm going to click OK, and we're going to go back to my computer here. So how you can so the reason why we do field 1 is because you have the field chart. And a field chart is different than the channel itself. The channel is its device. The chart follows the output. And so you can have a lot of different sensors talking to one another. And you can basically just add a visualization for each one of those sensors and use Thingspeak's API channel through these API keys here to get a feed of all of those fields all at once. So sadly, you can't view all the devices on a single channel, but you can view all of its components on a single channel. So that's why we have channel 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, all PLCs are sending data to be observed by Thingspeak completely online. And that's the challenge. Thank you.